welcome to Nailevition. Today I'm going to show you how to create this 3D French nail with polygel. To start, we're going to need 3 colors of the polygel. I'm using the Gelish range here. So we're going to need natural clear, color pink and dark pink. We also need some color gels. So these are the Gelish 2D art form. These are gel paints that is very pigmented. So this can create a very thin layer but very concentrated color. So I'm going to build the French first and then going on with layers of colors and clear polygel, and then curing that, filing that, and then continue on, repeat the steps. Now let's begin. Okay, to start with, I'm going to use the Gelish pH bond and Gelish foundation to create a base for the nail. With Gelish foundation, apply a very thin layer. I like to apply my base gel a little bit on the foam as well. And cure that for 5 seconds. Get a dry brush. Give it a dry wipe. Now I'm going to need the natural clear for the extension. Just squeeze, slice, and roll. I'm going to need a little bit of the slip solution. So you wet your brush and then fully wipe off. And then you just press to make the extension. I'm pretty happy with the extension. I'm going to cure this in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, after it's been cured, gently remove the foam. Here comes your extension. Because I made the extension very thin, so you can still pinch it. Now I'm going to create the French smile line. I'm going to need color pink and still squeeze, slice, roll onto the nail. And then just press the top and push it up to make it a nicer gradient to the cuticle area, and then gently press down to create a smile line. Okay, once you're happy with it, cure for 60 seconds. After it's been cured, I'm going to apply a bit of dark pink. Okay, just squeeze, not too much, and slice. And roll onto to the nail. I'm not rolling it all the way back, so a bit further, like 2 mm away from the cuticle area, so you have space to squeeze in. Make it seamless. It's the smile line area. Okay, now cure for 60 seconds. Okay, after curing, I'm going to clean it with cleanser. And now I'm going to file the smile line. I'm going to use the 150 harmony file to do the filing. So, make a 90-degree angle to the nail, and then start filing your smile line. Okay, now I'm happy with the filing. Dust off. Okay, now I'm going to apply the colors. So I'm using the Gelish art foam to the gel paint. I've just mixed them so they have a bit bubbles in them. I'm also going to need a Gelish art brush. This is a very small flat brush. So the good thing about this gel is you can put the colors here and then do a little bit of blending on the pot. Okay. Once you are happy with the colors, you can start curing for 30 seconds. Once it's cured, apply natural clear. I'm applying that natural clear right to the French line I just made. Once you're happy, cure for 60 seconds. Okay, after it's cured, give it a little wipe and then file the French snail line. Now you finish with your second smile line, you just continue on with your other colors and filing and curing. After you finish second color, cure. Okay, curing. Now I'm going to do some vertical rainbows on the tip of the nail. I'm going to need a bit of plastic. So I'm going to need this little piece of plastic to do the sections. Okay, I have done the first color, just curing that. Okay, now apply a little bit of polygel onto the color. Create a square. Now you need your plastic chip. Apply it right onto the polygel to make it a wall. So check it vertically. See if it's 90 degrees to the nail. Okay, once you're happy with it, cure it. After it's cured, you can take the chip off, and you can see you're having a very sharp edge at the front of the block, and it's very straight. So you don't need to file this part and continue on with the other colors. All clear, I'm going to apply Gelish top coat. After it's cured, wipe with cleanser. Alright, so here comes the 3D French nail. You can clearly see the ridges on the smile lines and the blocks I have colored underneath. So if you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe. I'll see you at my next videos.